week I built this gas forge because I needed to be able to get the entire scroll red hot at one time so I can put it into a box that I have built to make sure that the size perimeters are exact and it's going to touch the same spot because it's very exact how this has to be. So I needed something that would get an entire scroll red hot, and all the forges were such that they just made small areas hot. If you're in the coal forge, which most of the work is done in, you can only get so much hot. So I built this anyway to get the entire piece red hot last week, and as you can see, it does the job. There you go. We have an entire scroll red hot here. And I can put it over here into this metal form that make sure I have it the exact size it needs to be. And then they'll all stack up nicely here, the same size.